Henry from Santa Clarita Auto Sound. Today we're working on the 2015 Chevy Silverado. We put this Pioneer DMH-2660NEX radio in there. So it has Apple CarPlay, it has Android Auto. So it's really cool. So if you just press this home button, you get the main menu. You can go to CarPlay. You can have Google Maps show up. You can do all your apps like Spotify, Pandora, whatever you have, it'll show up here. And we use this Maestro wiring harness that actually integrates with the car. So if you control your air conditioning, it'll display on the radio. It also has your car's gauge information that shows up here. So you get all this information. Shows you the tire pressure sensors. If you open the door, it'll show you the doors open. Also, we also installed this backup camera. So if you just put the car in reverse, it'll automatically turn on. So it's pretty cool. If you want something upgraded, something like this, let us know. We'll definitely help you out.